Can you imagine that the pro-Wike lawmakers that defected from PDP before that their seat were declared vacant in Rivers State House of Assembly are now looking for a way back to the same PDP? Maybe they have seen that there is no light at the end of their tunnel, but they are coming up with a very funny story, which I'm going to explain to you. Now, do you remember the 27 lawmakers that defected from PDP during that time of rumored impeachment of Governor Fubara? That we even see them on video waving the flag of APC, singing "On your mandate we shall stand." In fact, they even read a resignation letter. Now, those same people are coming out to tell us that those videos we saw were all doctored, abi, na AI generated or waiting. In fact, I am going to be dropping the video one after the other so that you can see for yourself how funny this story can be. Now, first of all, look at the video where they are denying that they never defected from PDP. Listen.
A lot has been said about the issue of defection. 27 of us in the State House of Assembly never defected to any other party. We were elected under the platform of the People's Democratic Party and we never defected. We never took any step to defect to any other party. Everything you have seen is being sponsored by similar Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, to remove us from office. No such thing as defection. And in any case, we have a right to defect, but we never defected. Anything you have seen is just the arrangement from the governor, being sponsored by the governor.
Confirm. Now, will I be wrong if I say that they have seen that Fubara is holding down and there is no way out? They are now looking for another way to come into the party to regain their seat. Is this not the anti-party character that Ugo Chinyere has been shouting against by pro-Wike group? In fact, look at what Ugo Chinyere said.
Who is the problem? We know those who are the problem.
Who is the problem?
Of course. The problem is very simple. It is the pro-Wike group.
Confirm. Now, you can check out this video to watch it in full. But let's continue. For those of you who have forgotten the story around their defection and how everything happened, then look at the video where it happened. But as you are watching, do well to subscribe. For more updates, let's go there.
Some days ago, we defected inside the hallowed chamber of the Rivers State House of Assembly in line with section 109 of the 1999 Constitution as ordered. The Constitution has given room for people to defect.
Top on the list is the defection of 27 out of the 32 members of the House of Assembly from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressives Congress. The lawmakers formalized the defection during plenary at the House of Assembly complex in Port Harcourt. So technically, the remaining 4 members of the State Assembly who were until this morning part of the majority are now in the minority. TVC senior correspondent Uche Okoro has been monitoring the political situation in Rivers State.
For reconciliation between the governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara, and the minister of FCT, Wike, may have been dashed with the defection of these lawmakers. Their decision to leave the PDP indicates that the lawmakers may still be on course with plots to impeach the governor. Via letters written individually by the lawmakers, they officially declared for the APC during plenary at the House of Assembly complex in Port Harcourt. They cited leadership tussle in the PDP as one of the reasons for their defection.
I write to bring to your attention my decision to leave the People's Democratic Party (PDP). This decision to leave the PDP is necessitated by the division in the People's Democratic Party, of which I was elected to this house. In particular, the tussle around who the National Secretary of the PDP is has now sharply divided the party and made it unclear as to who is the National Secretary of the party, thereby making it difficult for me to chart an appropriate communication channel.
During the plenary, the lawmakers accused the governor of shielding the suspects in the burning of the assembly complex and withholding of funds for the running of the legislature.
You cannot be a chief security officer of a state and the hallowed chamber of the Rivers State House of Assembly, where you as a sitting governor will present all the requests that you need to function, is attacked. For how many months? For how many days? And you are still seated comfortably.
The governor who is supposed to be the one to uphold the law is the one who is not disobeying the law. Withholding funds meant for an arm of government while he's living lavishly and conducting his own affairs lavishly with state funds. This is sad. I think this is the first time that funds meant for the legislature will be withheld.
The lawmakers threatened to decline future requests by the governor for approval of funds pending his compliance with their resolutions.
Okay, hold on.
Confirm. Now see where the light is. Now in the next video, which I titled "The Lie Promo Has Raised to Power 12," is where one of them denied those videos of them defecting. They even said that they are doctored. In fact, they are even blaming the governor of those defection video, which everyone saw with their clear eyes. In fact, take a look and we continue.
Honorable Opoende, you are one of the 26 that defected.
Yes.
Great. So right now, of course, Chief Judge in Rivers State has said that it's illegal. It shouldn't be recognized. What's your reaction?
In my own view, there is no Attorney General of the state because Oko Jumbo does not have the capacity, does not have the legal prerequisite to even screen an Attorney General. So I can boldly say that there is no Attorney General of Rivers State. So the purported Attorney General who speaks on behalf of Rivers State government and saying that assembly member defected. When did we defect? Did we submit letter to him? There was no defection whatsoever.
Sorry, are you saying that you did not defect?
Yes, we did not defect.
So
we did not defect.
So what party do you belong to right now?
I am a full-time PDP member, and I partake in all the PDP conventions that happen from the world level to the state level. I partook in it.
So
what can tell me that?
What happened on December 11th exactly?
Yes, December 11, whatever thing you see on the media was orchestrated by the opposition. You know, the media can coin anything they like. They can do whatever thing. They can come up with unnecessary blackmail. It was actually a drama that you're seeing there. They're showing everywhere. Somebody can Photoshop your face and show it anywhere.
So are you saying that? Are you saying your face, for instance, was photoshopped and you did not defect?
So long as there is a court judgment backing the defection, that there is no defection. I did not defect.
You didn't defect.
If defection is different from somebody showing himself, if I have to defect, I will go through the prescribed procedures. And the prescribed procedure is for me to go to my ward, then register in my unit as a member of APC. That qualified me as a defected member. Now again, the APC, purported APC chairman Emeka Beke, even when those dramas were going on, openly said that defection is not by coming to this television to say I have defected to so place. It is by effecting the prerequisite, the laid down procedures. And the laid down procedures were for you to go to your unit in your ward, register properly as a member of a specific political party, which will now qualify you as a member of that party.
But the leader then, Tony Okocha, said he had accepted your defection. So who was he referring to?
Who?
The leader then of the APC in the state, Tony Okocha. So who are those he was referring to if you say you did not defect?
So if the American president say, I have accepted Lolo Opoende as an American citizen without having a certification, a documentation, and the police get me arrested, how do I identify myself as an American citizen?
So you are saying you never defected at all?
Mere carrying an American flag does not qualify me as an American citizen. That's another thing. So me, or you see somebody on the media or in the television.
I'm trying to, Nigerians are watching and they are trying to really understand the scenario right now. So that flag that was carried, you know, on December 11th, and we saw all of that. Are you saying all of that never happened, even though it was in the full glare of many witnesses? People saw it.
We waved flag actually in solidarity and in support of the present president.
As an opposition, as a member of the PDP.
The president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We waved the flag in support of it.
As a card-carrying PDP member, you waved the flag in support of your opposition.
In support of Mr. President, that he is an APC member and APC is doing well. Let them continue to rule Nigeria in the proper way.
And now, this has been the major problem that has been ravaging PDP, and Ugo Chinyere has been shouting about this. Now, how can you explain the character of being in one party and singing the praise of the other party? Will you still be considered as a royal participant of your party, or you are just in the trend of this PDAPC? But no problem, Ugo Chinyere has been standing firm on the court ruling about the Pro-Wike sack lawmakers, and he said that they still remain sacked up till now. In fact, listen to Ugo Chinyere himself and share your thoughts. Let's go there.
The judgment of the appeal court today is on the issue of the budgeting and the issue of whether National Assembly should take over the functions of the sack Pro-Wike lawmakers. And you need to understand that the judgment, no appeal court decision has affirmed or ruled or decided on the illegality of the decampment of the 27 sack Pro-Wike lawmakers. That issue is very clear. It has not been decided. So, and more importantly, it's very good you understand the deceitful nature of this group of people. There was a discussion where the president said all legal matters should be withdrawn so that peace can reign. To show that the Wike group have never wanted peace. All they like is this crisis and commotion because, oh, if you Fubara is outperforming you, so find a way to destabilize the government and create anarchy. But it will not work. So the governor, being a peace-loving man, listened to the president and withdrew his counter affidavit in that matter. But secretly, the Pro-Wike group continued that case against the intervention of the president, just to obtain a judgment at the back of the governor. And that is the judgment the appeal court affirmed. But the issue of their decampment, the illegality of their decampment, upon which the seat of that former speaker, Amewula, was declared vacant, is still pending at the appeal court. The appeal court has not been decided. Amewula is not a serving lawmaker. For him to talk about being speaker, his seat has been declared vacant, and that subject matter is still in court and have not been decided. So this judgment does not change anything. Right Honorable Okejumbo remains the speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly. It will be appealed, but it's important to understand the deceitful and criminal mindset of these people. You go into a peace accord, you go secretly at the back, you continue the matter even when other parties have withdrawn. So it's important the people know that Fubara has never been the aggressor. It is always the Wike group that they don't want peace, they don't want local government election, they don't want chairman to be sworn in, they don't want budget to be passed, they just want commotion and anarchy. So, and that commotion and anarchy, they will not succeed in it. So the matter is still in the appeal court. What appeal court ruled today is whether the National Assembly should cannot take over the function of the Rivers State House of Assembly on the presentation of the budget and so on and so forth. But the main subject matter, which is the illegality of the decampment of the sacked 27 lawmakers, is still in court, and we are hopeful that court will do the right thing to help save our democracy. Nothing has changed on this matter. Right Honorable Okejumbo remains the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, and the 27 sacked lawmakers remain sacked.
Confirm. Now, I said something in the last video I posted where I was asking that, do you think that this problem will ever be solved and PDP will get themselves to who they used to be, or will it continue going on and on? Because people are no longer to be trusted. In fact, the term loyalty is involved. It's not even now at all, because it seems that everybody is just waiting for where it is happening, and that is why the trend of this PDAPC will continue to go on. But nevertheless, share your thought with me on the comment section, and of course, you know the vibe now. Click on that subscribe button, follow and share. Also on your notification button for more update, because update choke. Because like this, we